Hi, you're very welcome. And in this video, what I want to show you are just two ways that you can quickly update multiple cells here. So here I have a scenario where I've got a number of people who've attended the course, this particular course, but basically I want to replace all the other ones with no. Okay, so I just begin by highlighting this block here. I then come up here to home. And if I picked home, that would make it even more interesting. Let me do home again. And then I come across here to find and select. I could also press Control and F as well. That's another one. Just go to replace. And I say find what, which is blank. And I want to replace it with no, so just put in no. And then I come down here to replace all. Okay, there we go. And that does the whole lot for you. Now I'm just going to undo that and show you another way. So again, just a reminder, Control and Z is another way to undo. Or I'm just coming up here to my toolbar and click on undo. Okay, so the second way is slightly more complex, but sometimes it can be just exactly what you need. So what I do is I just begin here. I'm pressing my Control key, and I'm just highlighting all these blank areas. So my Control key is still pressed down. Now what I do is I type in no, all right, and then what I do is I press Control and Enter together. Okay, and that would actually just do the same thing. Okay, so those are just two methods to just quickly update multiple cells. Hope you find it useful. Mind yourself and take care. Bye.